Welcome to your Sunday Shave of the Day. Hey, Eric here with Adventures in Wet Shaving, and welcome back. It's good to see you. If you're interested in learning how to straight razor shave and all things straight razor related, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Then click on the bell next to it to be notified when I upload videos. That way you won't miss a thing. Consider hitting that join button and becoming a member to support the channel. My one word is heart, and I put my heart into everything I do. And I believe every time you shave with a straight razor, you're getting a better shave. Yep. Now, tonight we are using my Wade & Butcher Sheffield out of the mid 1800s. Just beautiful. This is horn, and it's just marvelous. Beautiful scales. Yes, it is. Now, for my soap tonight, here we go. We're going fat, baby. This is Mitchell's Wool Fat. This is just fantastic. This was formulated somewhere around the late 1800s, and this is just marvelous. It really is. Now, for my brush tonight, here we go. We're going with the Grand Bamboo. This is a 30mm Maggard razor. Black and white tuxedo knot, just marvelous, and that is real bamboo. This also has a quarter for the Grand Canyon in the bottom of it, just marvelous, and a real lather machine. Yes, it is. Now, of course, I have had that fat blooming. That's what you do with the fat. Yes, it is. And we're going to put that on as a pre-shave and get this going. Oh, yeah. Oh, nice. Look at that. Just marvelous. Fantastic scent. Lovely. Yes, it is. Now, let's get those hands cleaned off. All right. Yeah. Now, since this brush is a synthetic, splash and go. We can just get it wet and get going. Now, here we go. Let's get that brush loaded up. Oh, so good to see you. Hopefully you are having a wonderful weekend, being able to relax, enjoy yourself, be with family and friends. Yeah, that's what it's all about. It really is. And hopefully you're in high spirits. World's treating you good. Yeah. Getting some good shaves and you're well. I'm telling you, you cannot, especially nowadays, you can't sacrifice being well. You need to do that part. Yeah. All right. And look at this. Look at this already. Already. I think we're there. Yeah, let's just stop. I got that all over the outside of that bowl. We're going to put those suds on the face. This stuff in here. This should be the good stuff. Yeah, we're going to take that. Just put it on the brush. And I think we're going to be fine. I do. Work that in. Just like that. There we go. Oop, gave you a high five there. Yeah, I had a lot of fun with that on Straight Razor Edge Friday special. Yeah, the last one I did, that was a lot of fun, me and this tripod. All right, now let's get this lather going. All right. Yeah, I hope you're having some good shaves. Being able to relax, enjoy yourself, be in the shave den. You know, get away from the world for a little while. That's always good. Yeah, kicking up a good lather. Oh yeah. Nice, nice, nice. Look at that. Excellent. I don't think we need much more than that. Yep. Now let's get those hands dried off. Oh yeah. This is pass one. And for me, primarily, that's going to be with the grain. Let's do this. All right, looking good. Yep. Yeah, I've been seeing a lot of new people in the comments. Really appreciate you. And happy you found us. Yeah. Yeah, if you like this stuff and you have some YouTube friends, go ahead, send them our way. All right. And now for you that have been here almost from the beginning, thank you so much. Thumbs up to you. Yeah. Yeah, I really appreciate you as well, because you have been there, and great comments, great questions, really good. Yeah, and hopefully wherever you are, your weather's good. Yep. And you're able to get out a little bit. Get outside. There we go. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, and I hope you're getting some good shaves. I do. So, also let me know down in the comments if you have any ideas for Straight Razor Edge Friday specials. Yep. Always open to ideas. Answering your questions, that kind of thing. Always good. Yep. So feel free to put questions and ideas down for a Straight Razor Edge Friday special. There we go. Nice. There you go. Pass one complete. Now, let's get that cleaned off and see how we did. I think it's good though. Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, and this Mitchell's wool fat, oh, nice and slick. Really good. Yeah. Yeah, depending on your water, you have to adjust everything to get a good lather out of the fat, but it can be done. Yes, it can. Really good soap. Been around forever. It has. There we go. Nice. All right. Now, time for the half pass. This is primarily going to be against the grain on my jawline, my neck. It is a little unconventional, but it really works. And I've heard a lot of people say it works for them too. So, you might try it. You know, just use your own discretion though. All right? There we go. Nice. Get that blade rinsed off. Now, that was against the grain there. This is going to be totally against the grain here as well. There we go. Nice. Now, let's get this part. Just like that. Get that part. And clean up there. Yeah. Doing good. There you go. Another shave in the books. Oh yeah. Yep. Now, let's get that rinsed off. See how we did? I think it's a good shave though. Oh yeah, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, really good. Yep. And that Mitchell's wool fat is fantastic. Really is. Get that face wet again. And here we go. We are going Alum everywhere. This is astringent and antiseptic. Great if you hit a little bump or two. And This will help tighten that skin, close those pores. Yeah, so we're going to just put that everywhere. Yeah, just like that. And it's going to be good. Yeah, it is. There we go. Now, normally, I will just pat that dry. Just like that. And if you can't take alum straight up, go with cold water rinse if you can get cold water. And follow that with witch hazel. In my case, I'm going with the Thayers Lavender Witch Hazel. This is just marvelous. And I think this kind of brings out the floral hints in Mitchell's Wool Fat. Yep. So really good stuff. Yep. And we just put that everywhere. Yeah, we do. Good stuff. It really is. Fantastic scent on that as well. And I'm going to follow that with Nivea Cooling Post-Shave Balm. This stuff is fantastic and does a great job. Really does. So we're going to get a little of that going. And I am going to put that pretty much everywhere as well. Yes, I am. Now, here we go. I am using Stetson Cooling, and this is the Aftershave. Oh yeah, but I'm using it more as a cologne. Yeah, this is the cooling and moisturizing aftershave. Just fantastic. Really got a good scent. Very nice. Click up here to see my latest video. Click over here to see a video specially picked out for you. Click on this one to find out how to ID and correct your straight razor geometry. Have a great shave and a good day, and I will see you next time on Adventures in Wet Shaving.